we'll set this right here. We set you up right there. Oh, I'm hurt, guys. My back. I've hurt my back. Anyways, I may die. If you hear me grunting, it's because I'm dying. Because I'm hurt my back. My back. And I don't actually understand as to what I've done to my back. I don't think it's a disc or a bulge disc. Maybe I just pulled a muscle. Didn't overly do anything today other than this. Lost my good wire cutters. Can't even turn around. In an earlier video, I had talked about a stupid switch. And that was this blue one. I'll lay it in front of the camera real quick. Like I say, my back, I've hurt my back. Oh. Well, talking about the stupid switch, after the video, I went back and the thing tested like it was supposed to. So I'm not really for sure what's even going on with that. If I was having meter issues or me issues or whatever kind of issues. But when I retested the switch, it worked as it should. That's the blue selector switch that you saw in the cover photo. This is my last wire I got to put in here, and it is actually for the generator. The generator that I don't have, but I want to get it wired in until, or at least now, so I get this switch mounted. If I get the switch mounted, I don't care to have it dangling down like this. And it is, at least part of it's hot every time, or all the time, because of the power I got going to everything. This is a 3-position switch that I'm fairly certain is somewhat expensive. And the ground, all the grounds are common, but your neutrals are what's separate. So number 9. And I had emailed the company and I said, hey, I'm stupid. I could not figure this out. And they said, well, the information you got, it's right, it's not that complicated. But they said it in a lot nicer terms. And I'm like, man, I'm just dumb. Can't read what number that is. Is that 3, 7, something else? All right, I'll be right back. I gotta go check this and see what it is. All right. Oh, we're back. I know I told you that already, but I'm dying. Gotta get this done. Gotta get the electrical hooked up. Maybe this is for a... Now my main Gary had a spacer on this. I don't know why. Why did he have a spacer on it? Oh no, dropped the world's smallest lock washer. Oh no. Why'd you have this spacer on here, Gary? I don't even remember where it went. think any of these wires would bounce around. I don't think it's gonna hurt to zip tie them either. Got the hiccups. All right. So there we go. Wow, those are crooked. It happens. And 1 is the inverter, 2 is the shore power, and 3 is the generator. And 3 is off. Or 0 is off. Still got to button up all the wiring, but that's pretty much done. Oh God, my back. Oh, I'm hurt. This bay's almost done. A couple more little water lines to hook up. Tell me the water heater wasn't made for that spot. Look at that bad boy. Absolute beautiful fittage. That's the wire for the hot water heater. I got to wire up the hot water heater. I got a couple more things in the bay to do down there. I've got to get the jumpers put on my battery bank, because right now I'm only working on, what is it, 4 of them instead of all 12. So another hour or two's worth of work. Under bay stuff should be done. Then I can get it all swept out, cleaned out, and ready to go. Not gonna lie, I'm actually getting very discouraged about not being able to get somebody out here to fix the mini split. It's miserable in there, you know, when it's 95 degrees outside and 100% humidity. But it's really, really irritating me. So hopefully I can get that figured out next week and get somebody here to figure out why it's not working. I'm assuming it's leaked off would be my guess, even though I had a professional install it, because I knew nothing about it. But other than that, it's coming right along. Even though I've got the breaker box and stuff in, I still have to wire up all the outlets on the inside, but that's no big deal. I'll get that done next week. And then once I get the outlets in, all the electrical should be done, at least for the 110 volt. I'll then have to do a couple more 12 volt runs, I think, for USB outlets. Then all the coach and house electrical 12 volt 110 volt will be done. It's fun times. You guys be good and be safe, and we will catch you next time out there. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, we'll talk about it on my way into the house. My man Mr. GR Newman, you need to go check out his channel. He has got a beautiful new coach. Beautiful. Obviously no more bus stuff with after the accident, but y'all should still check his stuff out. He left all of his old build videos up there. I've actually gone back and watched a bunch of them to see how he built the stuff that I've put on my bus. But go check out his new ride and see what he's rocking. All right, you guys be good.